Today, we're going to be discussing Bartle's player types for gamification. Understanding these player types can help you design more engaging and satisfying gameplay experiences for your players. I'm Corey Code, and let's jump right in. Before diving into Bartle's player types, it's important to understand the psychology behind why people play games. Games are a form of entertainment, but they also serve as a way for people to escape reality and explore different roles and identities. Understanding the motivations behind why people play games is crucial for creating a game that will be enjoyed by players. The first player type is the Achiever. These players are driven by the desire to complete tasks and earn rewards. They enjoy the feeling of accomplishment that comes with beating a game or achieving a high score. Achievers are motivated by the feeling of progress and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. The second player type is the Explorer. These players are driven by the desire to uncover the secrets of the game world. They are fascinated by the unknown and enjoy discovering new areas and uncovering hidden secrets. Explorers are motivated by the sense of discovery and the thrill of the unknown. The third player type is the Socializer. These players are driven by the desire to interact with other players. They enjoy forming relationships and building communities within the game. Socializers are motivated by the sense of connection and the sense of belonging that comes from being part of a community. The fourth player type is the Killer. These players are driven by the desire to compete and defeat other players. They enjoy the feeling of power and control that comes from winning. Killers are motivated by the thrill of competition and the feeling of dominance. It's important to remember that players can have a combination of these types, and that these types are not mutually exclusive. Players can be an Achiever and an Explorer, or a Socializer and a Killer. It's important not to stereotype players based on these types. In conclusion, understanding Bartle's player types can help you create a more engaging and satisfying gameplay experience for your players. Remember to keep in mind the motivations behind why people play games and design your game to appeal to these motivations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.